Hey, what's up guys? I'm back with a brand new video. Apologies because I'm kind of sick here and kind of dying. But this is very important because this could literally, and I mean literally, change everything. So Samsung is gearing up towards the year 2020 with its Galaxy S11 flagship. We're gonna see bigger batteries, bigger screen sizes, high refresh displays, monster camera upgrades. We actually got an updated look of the Galaxy S11 Plus camera via all leaks, and this is how the cameras will look. Next to the initial Galaxy S11 Plus camera leak, this actually looks a lot better. We got the main and the ultra wide angle lens on the left side of the phone, and there is a periscope camera system. On the right hand side, we have two speaker grills along with another camera lens that could be a macro lens and an LED flash. So again, next to the initial leak, this looks much better, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section below on the looks. Now with this flagship lineup, Samsung could do something that we have never thought they would do, and that is changing the name. A couple of days ago, Ice Universe tweeted out saying Galaxy S20. And in the next tweet, he said, next year is 2020 and 20 is a new beginning. He's basically teasing that Samsung might actually call the S11 as Galaxy S20, which is completely against what they normally do. I mean, we have Galaxy S lineup going from S1 all the way up to S10. And based on that pattern, Galaxy S11 is the name that they should go for, but it seems like it might be called as S20. We're about to kick off the new decade, and if Samsung chooses this name, I think it's gonna be pretty good for their marketing and stuff. The number 20 definitely puts them ahead of Apple when it comes to their number games, which is currently on 11 as well. In my opinion, I don't think Samsung should do it. I think they should keep the Galaxy S11 name because that's what they've been doing for the past years, following the same pattern. Just because of the hype with the new year, I don't think that they should have to change the naming of their flagship phone. Again, that's just my thought. I do want to mention that nothing is confirmed at this point. It might still be called as Galaxy S11. It's just something that Ice Universe tweeted out. And as for the release date, the Galaxy S11 family might get announced on February 11th or February 18th. These are the two dates that were mentioned by Ice Universe. He's still mentioning the next flagship phone from Samsung as Galaxy S11, so that confirms that nothing is actually finalized. We could still see Samsung calling it S11, which I personally want to see as well. Also in the news, we're hearing about something called Neon, which is actually an artificial human created by Samsung Technology and Star Labs. Now, it's not a voice assistant, it's not an upgrade to the Bixby. There are actually no details about this except that it's going to be an artificial human. If you actually go to the neon.life website, you get this animation of the Neon logo. And then there is a counter time that is going for 10 days, 14 hours, and 42 minutes. And you might be thinking, what's going to happen in that time? It's actually for the CES 2020. Yes, at CES 2020, we might see this artificial human getting revealed by Samsung and Star Labs. As of now, there are 5 posters for the Neon, and that basically shows that this digital artificial human will be able to speak different languages. Furthermore, it will replicate the emotions and intelligence of us real humans. Again, more will be revealed at CES 2020. I'm definitely interested in this. Samsung sure is doing some crazy stuff that we don't know yet. Again, a lot will be revealed in the coming days. So let me know your thoughts about everything in the comment section below. What do you think about the naming? Is the Galaxy S20 fine, or do you think that Samsung should stick with the S11? Apologies if I sound weird in this video because my throat is just killing me, but thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.